From my previous WAN 2.2 workflow video, we're switching out a few nodes to get real-time speed instead of the slow motion you usually get when using 4-step LoRa. The fix comes from the node called Painter I2V. It plugs in cleanly and gets the motion back to proper timing without messing up the rest of the workflow. We will replace this WAN to video node with Painter I2V from Prince Painter. I'll search for the name Painter and spawn the node. Then I'll delete the WAN image to video node and reconnect everything back into the Painter I2V node. I'll hook up the positive and negative prompts, the VAE, the start image, and the width and height sockets. That completes the setup. This workflow will give you real-time speed in WAN videos even when you're using 4-step LoRa. No more slow-motion clips when you don't want them. Next, you can extend the video infinitely with smooth, consistent motion flow using the Painter Long Video node. Just hook up the sockets like you normally would. The previous video input is simply the output from the earlier node. You can connect the VAE decode output directly here. You can skip the start and end image. The initial reference image is just your original image. You can copy and paste the node and keep extending the chain as long as you want, basically infinitely, assuming your GPU doesn't faint first. I did prepare a finished workflow with example prompts for my favorite model, WAN 2.2 Enhanced Camera. I included the camera prompt template, plus example prompts you can reuse. The model supports prompting by timecode in seconds. Just like I showed before, at 0 seconds, man jumps up the building, then at the next second, another action, and so on. For the extended video setup, I label each part as segment 1, 2, 3, and so on. I also added a qwen LLM to generate prompts for longer videos. You just type your idea and tell it to generate for 20 seconds. Since each extended node handles 5 seconds, it will output 4 segment prompts. After that, you paste each segment into its corresponding extended video node. Switch off the WAN video generation first so you can generate the prompt cleanly. After the prompt is created, switch off the prompt generator and copy-paste the prompt into the workflow to run the actual video generation. I added up to 4 segments, and the qwen agent also gives you 4 segment prompts so you can just copy and paste them. I haven't tweaked or optimized anything yet, it's just the concept laid out cleanly. Good luck shaping the perfect prompt. You can edit and refine it however you want. I'll include the workflow in the description. That's all for today. Subscribe and check back tomorrow.